Hello Cities Skyliners, Wellington6012 here, and welcome back to Rockwood Springs. How is everybody today? I hope you're all good out there. So yeah, you find me here in Sycamore Industrial Zone, and yeah, I've just finished off some things up here. I've done a fair bit off camera, just looking at those trucks, which I don't know if I actually want them going down that back road, because that's an access way. That's not really a main road. So let's just, oh look, that ding stuff going up. Yeah, let's just change that just while I look at it, and like that. So that's fine. I don't think there's any, no, there's no commercial down there that they need to get to. Yeah, so this is, oh look at that ding, you know, it's all going up. So I've just pressed play. Yeah, so this I did like yesterday, I think it was. Just finished off filling in all the gaps, and yeah, so that's all working out quite nicely. Yeah, just, you know, it's good. It's real good. And, you know, it's polluting, but at least we've got that under control somewhat. Yeah, so really liking that space. Now, when you left me last time, we had all sorts of chaos up here with the trucks all backing up, which, oh, actually they're starting to back up again now. I changed a setting in here in the transfer manager, and it was, yeah, there we go, train multiplier. Oh, I turned it down. I must have tried seeing if it worked. If it was just once it cleared it was all right, but it's not. Yeah, anyway, so I hope that didn't actually reset. Anyway, 2, I had it up higher, but 2 is absolutely enough. So that changes the amount of distance that they think it is. And yeah, that seems to solve everything. Yeah, and also I'll just finish talking about what we did. Oh, we need some water down there. Oh, okay, hang on. I've just pressed play and all this stuff's coming up. How do you not have water? Surely. Okay, we'll just dunk you across like that. Should fix that. I don't know how you don't have water, but anyway. Yeah, so we will be working mainly down here today, I think. So I'll just show you what I did up here. So as I say, filled in that area. With the transfer manager, I also changed basically any of these production type things. So crops, cattle. I used the transfer manager and turned off allow export, so that basically they're keeping it in the district. Same with the ores that were being dug out of the ground, and then same with these storage. So I turned off the export, because the likes of these, you know, this rotary kiln wasn't keeping up with ore. Despite the fact that there is oodles of it, but as far as I could tell, it was all just being exported, which, I mean, look, that's quite a bit of money right now, but that has been in negatives. Population's gone up, so, yeah, and again, when it was producing metals, heaps of metals, and yet this was screaming out for metal, and it was like, oh, really? So, yeah, so I've got the products, so the end product on export, but everything leading up to it is not on export, so if that makes sense. Yeah, and I don't know if that'll work or not, but we'll just see what happens. It's just the way the industry's DLC is, and yeah, hopefully that's something that they fix in the Cities Skylines 2. That would be real cool. Yeah, see, look, it's just kind of, yeah, that's the cattle, so I probably need to put in more crops to feed the cattle now that I've done that. Yeah, which I won't do right now, but yeah, we'll definitely make Caroline's Cattle Ranch a lot bigger. We'll spread it out though. I don't think having it quite this clustered is the way to go. Yeah, because I mean, for one thing, the frame rate's tanking a bit. It's, you know, when I get in close, it drops down to, what are we, 6 or 7, and I've got things in place to speed it up. But anyway. So I'll just give you a little bit of an overview. Oh, hang on. Before we do that, Also, just down here, yeah, I did, so this was a day or two ago now, I did change this layout, and I think this works really well. So the truck's coming down from up there. Yeah, there's no crossing over. It's sort of, yeah, I think that's that system works quite well. That intersection, little. Okay, and that one's fine. Yeah, so that's good, and just did a little bit of work around here from memory. Yeah, and also over here, that's just trees. That's all that is. So yes, been busy, and as you can see, I've started to fill in. I've put a little mound in here just to get a little bit of altitude, a little bit of interest. I think that'll work quite nicely. It doesn't need a lot. And see, look, you're asking for steel ore again, even though there's heaps. Best not think about it. Right. But yeah, started to fill this in. Now, this is actually, a lot of this has been moved from over here. So I'm slowly just filling that up by moving it. Yeah. So my thoughts is that I'm going to link this road down, sort of down into here. And then in this area, I'm going to put a, what's it called? This thing here. Business park. Yeah. So I'm gonna do this. So we've got 230 workers, and yeah, we probably need more highly educated. I don't know how they're getting highly educated because we don't have a university yet. Should probably put one in, I guess. I mean, is that just? Yeah, let's have a look. Let's have a look. So, oh, what's that? Something must be not working. So there's a university there. Is that the vanilla one? Yeah. What about trade school? What's a trade school? I don't even know what a trade school is. This building defines the campus area to trade school. Allows reputation. Okay, hang on. What else we got? Dormitory, residential for academic studies, increases campus attract. Okay, yeah, that's fine. But what do we get out of trade school? What does it give us? Groundskeeping, book club. Okay, I guess it's just an alternative. Liberal arts. Okay, what does that give us? I don't know what these are. And university campus 32,000. So that's really going to be the push. That's why I want to put this business park in, get some industry happening, and yeah, really get the population up. So that's the plan there. Okay, let's just put in one of these for now. I think we could probably it'll probably go over here eventually, but I think probably down here is alright for now, because yeah, we can always move it. So I'll move the bus line that's over here down here, so it looks after it. Or it's already in the absolute perfect spot. Okay, let's not move that then. How about we move that one up to there as well? Yeah, since that road's kind of going away. Yeah, so that's good. There's a school up there. Yeah. Okay. I mean, I don't think there's much. Yeah, that line's probably not going to stay around, because what I'm thinking is that the ore line will come down. Is there any way we can bring them up? Yeah. The ore line that's going around here at the moment, that will come and cut down there. So then we've got the Franklin Hills line that sort of does a big figure of 8 around here. That can cover that. And then we'll have the ore one come down here. And I'm thinking that we need probably another one to go up around here. And potentially it could come down into here. Actually, that could work. We could do a figure of 8 up around there, back down here, and yeah. And that could follow this as well. That could follow the bus lanes. Yep, that's a plan. That's a good plan. I could just about put that in now, really. Yeah, shall we do it? Okay. So we'll call it the Garland Loop. We'll do that. Okay. So let's just, we'll start it here. We'll start it here. Yep, that's fine. Come down there, and we'll come down. Okay, we'll go up. So, okay, so that will go this way. So we need a stop in here. Why does that not let us? Okay, hang on. Just let me. Because there wasn't meant to be a bus route. That's why. Okay, let's just try that again. And so, actually, let's put a stop here. And then around, put a stop there. And then put a stop there. And a stop there. And a stop there. And then a stop there. Yep, a stop there. And then it can come up this way. And we'll put a stop there. And we'll put a stop there. And we'll put a stop there. And then back. So do I really need it to go into there? I mean, really, it's going pretty close to it anyway. If we move that stop up here, maybe that'll give it what it needs. Potentially, we might need to put a path under the bridge. That could be a thing. Okay, we'll let... Oh, look at the people already. Oh, no, they're walking past. Okay, yeah, we'll do that, and we'll just get that out of that one. Yep, stick with that. Stick with that. It's good. Yeah, they can just walk through. That's fine. And yeah, I'll sort a path out. Well, actually, I will sort a hole in the wall, but just for now, we will cheat, and they can do the old David Copperfield thing, and they can walk through the wall. Because there's no crossing there, so that'll work. Okay, yeah, I'll open up that wall momentarily. Right, so that's that. So we better name that line, and that is going to be called. What are we going to call it? The Garland Loop. Garland Loop line. Yeah. Let's just drop those vehicle numbers back. Oh, look, there's 3 people waiting. Do that. We'll drop it back to 8 and we'll change it to a double decker. I've just had a bit of a thought. What I could do is it could loop around here. That would probably make sense, and then it would go into here. Let's do that. So, oh, look at all those buses. So let's change this to... Oh, let's not. So hang on, if that comes up there and loops around... No, that's correct. That's right. Yeah, and I don't think there's going to be any benefit doing an anti-clockwise one. No, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine. Stop playing with it. I was just thinking we could loop it out here, but... I mean, we still could. We still could. So instead of it going down there, it could go into here. And then instead of it going into there, it could go down this way. Like that. Is there enough room for a stop there? Yeah, there is, because there'll be a park entrance over there. Okay, that's probably a better way to do it. Yep, then we've got a dog bone type thing. Yeah. Okay, gosh, that took some time to figure out, but that I think will be quite good. I mean, we can even put a bus stop down there. Yep. Awesome. See, there you go. That hub's all cleared up. Did I show you this? I did do some work down here, so that's a thing. Right. Yeah, so that's good. Good. Yeah, I did muck around with a transfer for that, but that's clearly not doing anything. Okay, let's get into this bit here. Yeah, we really need to get towards that 20,000 and unlock things. So that's a bit of a goal. Yes, and then that's dropped right back. Yeah, okay. So that's, and again, you know, you haven't got any metal. Why don't you have any metal? Where are you getting it from? Nowhere is where you're getting it from. Yeah, I don't know what to do to overcome that, to be honest. I mean, you should be producing. I've got these here, which, so I've got the three together, but that's actually a workplace. That's a storage metal. And yeah, that's ready to export. But yeah, I mean, I would have thought 2 of these would have produced enough. How many does it make? 8,500 per week. And what does this need? Doesn't say. I don't know. Let's not think about it. Okay, so anyway, this area here. So thinking having a road sort of come down here. We have a business park in here using these things here, which are in the Rico. Where are we? Yeah, so look, and you get, like that one's 135 workplaces, 213, 128, 8, 247, 247, 247, hang on, are they the same thing? No, 184, 61, and that's something else. Yep, so that's quite a lot of workplaces. Oh, look, the residential's going up. Haha. Okay, well, what I might do is I've also got up here ready to make a bit of a start. Again, I kind of want to raise things up a bit. All right, let me put some buildings in here just to try and get the residential up, and then we'll get building down here, I think. Yeah, stand by. Alright, so that fills in that quite nicely, I feel. Yeah, and that will get our population up. 19, oh look at that, it's just skyrocketing. Awesome, 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 awesome. Okay, yeah, and I don't know if, no, you wouldn't have heard it. There was things going ding, ding, ding all the time. All the time. Is that still, okay, that's still that size zone, so that's cool. Yeah, right. So yeah, also just talk, I can't remember where I said it or not. So we're having a road come down here, so let's actually just do that now. Let's put that down like that. Actually, we'll just pause things. And I think I'm going to keep this park going sort of a bit more this way. So I think that'd be cool. Make the park a bit bigger. I wasn't intending to. I'll put it like a tunnel under the road. I think that'd be quite cool. Let's just now get this. I think that one there. So we'll just keep that going like that. We're unhappy about that. Not having a road. And we'll come sort of. Actually, we could probably. No, let's just do it from here. If we went like that. Sort of that way. Just to weave our way down. Yeah, and then if that came like that. And then like that. Very good. Slopiness. We need to resolve. So they can all be that height. Oh, okay, no, that's level. That's level. That's why that's like that. Okay, that's fine. Let's just lower that so that one's fine. Delete you and raise you. Unselect you and raise you. Unselect you and raise you. And then just get rid of that. And we better get rid of that one too. You are going to have to move. Because reasons. Okay. So that's good. Yeah, so I'll definitely move some more of these over into this area here, which, yeah, I think that's going to look quite cool if, you know, you like driving along. Just with the change in elevation, just to give it a little bit of a hill. And I think it is called hills, isn't it? Franklin Hills, yes. So we need multiple hills. Not there's any shortage of hills around here, but yeah, and I just think that'll really make this area look quite cool. Right, so let's grab this tool and do the old thingamabob like that. Probably there to there. Yep, that's good. That's good. And we'll just get that a smooth. So, you know, I hope with this sort of map that I've got the balance right between kind of vanilla and modding. Because it's definitely not a vanilla build. Just, you know, you can, I mean, this to me shouts vanilla, and this to me shouts not vanilla, you know. But I'm still, you know, trying to get all the commercial and everything and make money and all that sort of carry on. See, look, we're in negative now. Yeah, so that's what I'm thinking. Right, we'll put the ore line down through here, so that's cool. What we might do is actually, I'm just going to rejiggle this. I'm going to rejiggle it, and I'm going to say go straighter for a bit, and then I think that's kind of where that is. Yep. Okay. Then I think we'll put a pretty decent intersection in like that, just to get the turning base. Alt. That's what I want to do. That's probably a little bit long. And then, so this will be the main road. And yeah, I think we just need to choose a different tree. What options have we got? Sapling. Ugh. Okay, no. Shady bush. They're all big. Oak. Ooh, small. Smooth gum. Silver birch. Pines. Regular bush. Medium. Yeah, I think that'll work. Oh, I think that'll work. Yep, let's do that. Let's go into the Rico and Business Park entrance. Oh, okay, so that actually goes over the thing. Okay. Well, clearly we don't want trees in there like that, but there would be nothing to stop us putting in. Let's just go like this and put in one of these. Okay. Like so. Yeah, I think that'll work. Okay, right. There was a lot of effort for not much. So, a bus stop. Let's put... let's just upgrade. Oh, okay, hang on. If we were to put... I think... create some nodes. So if we put a node there, a node there, one there, I think. We'll just slide that down a little bit. So that's cool. And that's cool. And then replace you, because over here we've actually got some lines I think already made up. Which, that one, copy you. Paste, perfect. Cool. Okay, so, and then we'll do the old thing like that. And can I do shift? No, I can't do shift. So we just want basically cars band and trucks band, not ambulances. Cars and trucks, same there. Cars and trucks, cars and trucks, and cars and trucks, cars and trucks. Okay, so that's good. And then really we want to keep stuff going the right way through there and through there. They can change when they get here. And this intersection, we're going to have to set up the same as the one up above, which we can just copy. We can copy the lines. Let's just do that. Ugh. Okay, so that's fine. And do the old. Because I did think about putting a roundabout in here, but actually, you know, it's not got any access to anything else. Go into the lines, go to this one, copy. Strange, I've probably got that intersection layout somewhere else. Oh, look, got it first pop around the right way. Okay, so that's that. So that should be good. Yeah, everything should work out. Let's just give that a whirl. Oh, we need to move the line. So from this stop here. So we want to grab the green. I think I'm grabbing it. Yes, I am. So that will cut up there. That one. Do the same. No power. Okay, we'll have to sort that out. Okay, so that's good. Might just have a quick look at the green lines. Oh, 885. That's rocketed up. I'm sure that was like 700 last time I looked. Let's just have a look at some of these lines. So, oh yeah, see, look, that's the ore loop. Yeah, they're all pretty. Oh no, they're not full. But that one's. Oh, look at that, many people. Okay, well, we'll just keep an eye on that. But yeah, I think that works well. Yeah, cool. Oh, look, there's already people waiting there. Oh, awesome. Awesome. Where are they going? Nowhere. Okay. Right. So let's go back to this, and we'll put in. What we'll do is we'll put in another road. No, that one. And like that. That can go like. Oh, maybe we'll just curve it a little bit. Maybe this is going to be one of these places where there are no straight roads. Sorry, house. Sorry. Let's just move these ones. I think there's a gap up here. That'll do for now. Okay, right, so back into, let's just delete you now that I've done the nasty on those other ones. Okay, Rico. So, oh, it's not massive, that one. Neither's that one. I mean, even that's a bit better. Probably that one, though. Like so. Maybe we put that on the corner-ish. Yep. And then let's put... one down there. And go for... maybe that one? Yeah, and that seems to have like a walkway under it. Which we could do something tricky. So that could go over to the bus stop. Then parking, because these will need quite a bit of parking. There's no parking on these roads. So what we could do is we could use these not toll roads. Is that it? Yeah, that's it. That's it. Okay. This could work well if we went like that. Yeah, that could work. That could work. And even if I pull that up like that, and can I do something tricky with the node to get it like a, so it's an end, more options, stretch, no. Kind of want a cul-de-sac on the end, but freeform, that's what we want. So right position horizontal like that. Left corner position like that. Left corner direction. Like, Yeah, I think just 1.5. And right corner direction. Okay, if we made that 1.8, that one 1.8, that one we put up to 4, and that one we put down to -4. How's that looking? I think if they went 5. Yep. How's that? A little bit strange, but gives you somewhere to turn around. Just that tree's not quite in the right place. So if we went for the tree and said, none, would that just give us an empty flower bed? Yes, it would. And then the medium. Is that what it was called? No, regular. Regular. And it was called medium. Like that. That was a lot of work for for one. But we'll be able to copy that, so that's fine. In fact, I could potentially copy this for the whole lot once I've done it. Right, parking things. So what have we got? Probably that one there. Actually, let's just do some of these ones first. Like so. Probably we only need like 4. That's cool. I could maybe just come in a little smidge. Okay, and then we'll go back to this one, which was, which one? It was that one there, wasn't it? Yes. So you can line up with that. And you can line up with that. Or not. Something's not lined up. How come you're lined up and you're not? Must be something to do with the size of the road. It's alright, we'll let that do its thing, and we can bring this in so that it's just right. Cool. That's good. Yeah, okay. Liking that. Still you got no power? Surely you must have power by now. Yeah, and I can put more parking in here, so I will just delete you, and I don't know what that truck's going to do. Copy that, copy that, copy that, and we'll copy that as well. Copy that. Copy that. Copy that. Copy that. Have you got a sticker in your window? Okay. Let's see whether you're allowed to park there. So what we'll do is we'll put you into there like that. How did that work out? I think that worked out pretty well. Okay, and we'll just delete you for now. And we'll bring you back in. Oh no. Do that. Just get the one tree and then we can link it up. Which I think it's still not got any trees, so we'll just do that and that. And that should be good. Do we want all these crossings around here? My feeling is yes, but we probably don't want to actually have them. And same with the arrows. We don't need arrows. Hide those. Hide those. And people can cross as much as they want. But yeah, I don't think we want to have the arrows. Come back to that one. Because that's got no shrubbery on it. Right, okay, so I feel like I got a little bit involved there. When I say involved, I mean just doing quite monotonous stuff, but that's a bit of a start to that park. Yeah, potentially we can put some more of these buildings in. And I'm thinking that, maybe we have another entrance up here. That would probably be the way to go. Down here we can just have like a link to a path through to here. We won't have an entrance there. Do I really want trucks going across there? I don't think I do. I might just put a ban on the trucks between there and there, all the way up. I need to do them all, and yeah. Yep, that's cool. Yeah, okay, so hopefully that'll stop the trucks going through. He says, as a truck just goes straight through. What? And it was somewhere where you're not allowed to go through. What? Why? See, I've got the trucks turned off. You should not have done that. Right. Oh, I can see something that's missing. Fix that before. Yeah, it's up there. How interesting. Okay. Right. Okay, so that's that. You're all under control. Okay, let's yeah, that's good. I'm thinking that'll be quite good once I'll obviously put more buildings in. Like we could have another road off here, and yeah, I just think, with the nice trees and that'll be cool. So you've got 58 workers, you've got 52. Yeah, highly educated, that's our problem. But yeah, so I'll just let them. I can add on to this basically to get more employment happening. But oh, that's real awesome. That'll fill that up nicely. As I say, we'll have the park come down through here. So I'll have to sort of move all this stuff. I'm thinking putting a big sort of chain store in here, a supermarket or something. Yeah, so I've got plans just to redevelop all this. And yeah, and Old Sycamore Hills is really doing quite well. So I'll fill that in here as well. And then we'll put our Rockwood Springs main park in here. Well, main, but yeah, a park that looks at Rockwood Springs. Yeah, I don't think I'm going to need too many of these car parks, but just, yeah, some would be good. Where are you actually? So, okay, hang on. Why pink male? Oh, okay, that's all right. But where are you going? You're turning around and you're going back that way, which is an interesting road to take. Why did you come all the way down here? Maybe... don't know. Anyway, let's just actually click on the road and see who's going where. See, why are you not able to turn up there? Is that your problem? But then why are you even going that way? You should be going down this way. Hang on. Let's just have a look. Is there something wrong down here? No, you can pick your lane down there. You can go through there. You can pick your lane there. You can go up around there. But for some reason you think it's quicker going that way. And you should be able to turn down there. I don't understand. So look, there's another one. Returning to facility. But why are you going that way? Stuff is turning. Just stuff is doing some strange things. I don't know. Maybe it's just when I've mucked around with the roads and got them going the other direction. I mean, look, that's all good. That's all good. Yeah. Okay, there's trucks going that way. So yeah, everything's kind of using the main routes like it should. Except for here, but that's... Yeah, it's not much I can do about that because we need to let the rubbish truck through, so that's just post. That's all that is. Yeah, okay. Right. So yeah, I'm going to do some work on this area, and yeah, so leave this with me, and I'll come back at some point. Oh, I've already got to work this thing up. All right. So I think I'll come back into it here. Just sort this out. It's been quite a while. It's been a very long while. Paste that in there, and yeah, hopefully that should work. Kind of need to do maybe that. And we'll sort out that other one momentarily. Might just need to do a little bit of tidying up here. Sorry, I said I'm coming back and then I've got busy doing other things. Yeah, that could work. I don't think I need the whole white lines over the white paint like I've got that intersection over there. Okay, so here we have a continuation of Franklin Hills. I wonder if... No, it's not. Let's sort that out. So yes, a continuation of Franklin Hills. And yeah, this has come up pretty well, I feel. Still plenty of gaps to fill. I haven't pressed play yet, so hopefully everything works. Soon find out. Yeah, so that's... We're just going for a closer look momentarily. So yeah, nice little sort of park up the top, which has got the water tower, and as you can see, it's, you know, it's not level. It's quite sort of steep actually, for considering how, you know, small area we've got. But yeah, I think that just works quite well. It's going to work really nice when you're sort of driving down here. I wonder if I can actually latch on to, say, this bus. Is that a thing? Can we do that? Yes, we can. Okay, so if we went for a drive, that's not going to go where we want it to go. Wrong bus. Let's just escape out of that and maybe jump on there. So, where's this going? Is this going the right way? Yes, it is. Stop for the pedestrians and run over the pedestrians. Where we go. Around there. Okay, you can't really see from down here, but yeah. Anyway, right. So yeah, that's so again, you know, sort of from this angle, I think it's going to be quite. Oh yeah, loving this. Really like this roundabout here. I don't know what it is. It's just, it really does it for me. So now this is just surrounded by suburbia, which is awesome. Okay, so moving on, because I do have other plans. So that's just doing its thing. Oh, look at that. We are rapidly heading for 20,000, which is good. But what I want to do here is I have a plan. If I were to go like this, what I want is that, because I'm going to put some commercial in. I know exactly what commercial I'm going to use, because I've sort of used it before. So we'll go down there. I'm not saying we're going to go all the way down there, just that's where we're at the moment. I kind of want it to... Okay, no, we can start at that node. Let's just start it with that node. Okay. It's a little bit unlevel. Sort that out. And pull you back a little bit. Here's a question. Do I actually want... Yeah, I'll just sort this out. So if we go to here, pull this node back, if we can. Like so. No, keep that one straight because we want that crossing. Okay, that's good. Okay, maybe. It just needs to come out that way. No, it's just a little bit too tight. That's fine. That'll do. So one way's good. It's absolutely fine. Okay, so let's just change this. Go like that and that. Keep the crossing there. Do that. We'll get rid of that crossing because we won't need it. So everybody's going to cross over here. It's going to be the thing. Let's put some timed traffic lights in. And set up timed traffic lights. So what we want is add step. Change mode. And yeah, so this is going to be a chance to do the crossing thing. So we'll do that, and that. Do that, and you've got the crossing. So that's stopped, that's stopped. Okay. Add step. And we'll do this a minimum of, what, 5? Maximum of 10. I don't think it'll matter too much. Probably want to actually just have that dedicated turning lane, I think. And that's going to be like that, like that, like that, like that. Okay, and add, and start. Okay, so that's good. And let's just get that. Go like that. Yeah, I think I'm going to have to straighten that back up again. Just because this doesn't look right. Again, I'll check those. Go with that. Yeah, that's fine. Actually, no, we'll need to stop that there. It's good. We'll change the arrows to that one. Give it a dedicated turning bay. That's fine. Okay, so that allows people to get in, and we've got a crossing here, so that's good. Now, let's just make sure there's some water, which there's not. So we'll take the water down there. So, in here, there is... Where are they? There they are. Not that one, that one. So we've got these ones. Which... Yeah, that's good. We can kind of move them forward a little bit. So sort of stick them together. They've got gaps in between them, but I think that you can kind of sort of do them like that. The roofs don't really line up, but it's fine. Like that. Like that. That's actually almost in the right place. Okay, that's good. Maybe I might put you at that end. And move them all along. that. Any others? Sports Direct. Very good. Okay. So that's fine. Now parks. Pretty sure we've got one that goes... That one maybe. Yeah. That's not what I want. I want it to go like that. There we go. And we'll just paste you in there. Join you up. Do that. Do it again. Join it up. Add more. And actually, no, we'll just make a bit of a gap there for some trees, shall we? You know, we won't. We'll put that back. Sorry. I'm thinking that actually, if we went 1, 2, 3, yeah, 1, 2, 3. Let's just put another lot in. Oh, that's a tree. Okay, well, 1, 2, 3. Just do that like that. Probably just delete you and copy you. Oops, didn't want to delete that one. Okay, that is good. And then yeah, that'll come back in there, so that's fine. And yeah, I mean, if it actually came down here, we could potentially have another crossing so that people can get out. Okay, so that's good. I can put some fences and stuff along there later. We will need to put some trees and stuff along there. So what do we think? What do we think? What about something a little bit different instead of the usual stock standard stuff that we've been doing? Maybe no. Yeah, we've already done those pretty thoroughly. I mean, would it be too awful to have some of those along there? Probably. They look a little bit out of place. See, those ones aren't too... Yeah, they're still a bit too tall, though. Norfolk Island pines. Yeah, why not? Maybe just a little bit closer together. Yep, that's cool. And again, I can put some more stuff underneath them. We'll be fine. So yeah, so that's an interesting little block there. And yeah, so we've got access to it, so that's fine. Let's just start things up again. Yeah, these are just a giveaway, so that's fine. Now, I wanted to put a bus stop in. So if we did that like that, and another one there, that'll open there. Then where's the bus stop? Is that it? Ding. Right. Can we grab that? Yep. That's good. Now, actually, here's a question. No, it's fine. It's fine. I was just thinking about parking. But, 4-lane road, no parking. Rotate. Okay, why have you changed to that? Why are you going so slow? Is there a speed limit in there that's atrocious? Yes, there is. 30 is not what we want. In fact, I think we could even go 40 to be honest. We've got to let these guys out. So, probably in here, and they can just have a giveaway to get out. Like, maybe we actually want some one-way stuff. As soon as I find it. That's what I'm looking for. Very good. And it's not there that we want. Turn the crossings off. Don't need them. Straight through for you. And a giveaway for you. Cool. Oh, we need to put some lines in. Very good. Very good. Okay. Down here, we'll just need to sort out the bus. Everybody's happy. Okay, so that's fine. Okay, why do you keep changing like that? And yeah, we'll put you like that, I think. Bus won't be going around there. Like that. Whoops. We'll put you in there. Okay, so you're going to go straight forward. You have the option to go forward or to cross into that lane. Should be fine. Yeah, and if you're a bus, you're going to do that. Yep, that's fine. Everything else should be all good. Oh, no, hang on. We'll just make sure that you go around into there. Like that. Yep, that's good. Yeah, that took a bit of effort. Okay, so the bus stops are in there now, so let's just play that and just make sure that they are functioning. That probably wants to be 60 as well. I don't know why it's not. Same with you. And probably the same with this one over here, I guess. No, that's 60. Changed it. Okay. You didn't stop. What? Why didn't you stop? Maybe it was already committed to where it was going. Okay, but that's real good. I'm liking that. We could probably even just move that up a smidge. That'll be good. Very nice. Okay, stuff's happening. Oh, look at all the people. Look at all the people. They must be going to work, or don't know what they're doing. Yep, they're going to work, going to shopping. Not sure. Look, we're just about up to 20,000. All right. Okay, so that's real good. That's super awesome. So I'm probably just about ready to pull the pin, actually. I think we're in a pretty good spot here. It's been quite a substantial sort of build session for me. And yeah, there's stuff I can do off camera, just tidy up. But, you know, that's good to start. These are... How are these doing? They're actually full. I don't know where I'm getting all these educated people from. Are they commuting? Are they... Oh, I don't know. It's just strange. But yeah, look at all the trains. Look at all the trains. Look at the FPS 5. Yeah, so there's a lot going on. It's quite busy. Oh, and that was the other thing. I put in the tunnel down there, so that was another thing I did. So now, just look at all the people walking around. That amazes me. Oh, look at them all queued up there. Oh, wow. Okay. So this I'll expand on. Look, people are using the car parks. Oh, it's awesome. And yeah, loving this area. I don't know what I'm going to put in here because, yeah, pollution is a thing down here that we just need to be careful of. Just be aware that it is there. It's not affecting the houses, but it is there. Did that have pollution as well? Why would a bakery have pollution? Something special in the cookies. Yeah, so, and we've made a pretty big dent in this. I mean, it may be that I'll just have to delete everybody from here, tell them to move out. But, just look at all the traffic. Romping through. Where are they? Oh, these are all people moving in? Is that what's happening there? Let's just go here. No, they're just busy. Just busy. Why are you turning around? Oh no, you're dropping off stuff. Go you guys. Oh, that's awesome. That's awesome. So this is really starting to fill up now. And yeah, I think, you know, it's pretty condensed, but lots of trees. What is our tree count, I wonder? I hate to think. Really hate to think. Doesn't tell me. Never mind. Yeah, so I think that's some real good progress today, and yeah, we're well on our way to that as it goes down, but we're well on our way to that 20,000. So potentially next time we'll be putting in a harbour, and whatever else was unlocked at the 20,000. More trains, baseball park, probably need one of those somewhere, and some waste processing stuff. But yeah, harbours is probably the big thing. Cool. Alright, well, as I say, that's where I'm going to pull the pin. It's been a long day. Thanks everybody for joining me today. I hope you did enjoy today's episode. And can join me again next time when we'll do a whole lot more stuff. Probably put the park in here. Maybe expand this a bit more. Hopefully we'll get some more demand and get some more people in. And no doubt this will be expanded as well by the time you join us next time. So until next time, as always, stay safe out there, everybody, and have a good one.